What's up, you guys? It's Amber and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. And if you are new here, you should definitely subscribe. For today's video, I wanted to do a big collective haul for you guys because I have purchased so much stuff this month and it's all just been like collecting in my room because I wanted to do a haul before I put it away. And also I have to leave for work in like 25 minutes, so we're gonna try to do this in under 25 minutes. Let's begin, shall we? Okay, so I have been on the hunt for Wicked merch. So let me start off with what I got from Walmart. Wicked has had a collab with everybody, so I'm having a very hard time keeping up, and also my wallet is having a very hard time keeping up. So this is all that I'm gonna get for a while. I'm gonna wait until the movie actually comes out before I spend any more money on Wicked merch because I can't. So first up, I purchased the Glinda bubble wand. I am so excited to open this up and put it together. Like, my inner child is just absolutely screaming. But how cute is this? We have Glinda and Elphaba over here, and this was $20, I think. It looks like it's in 3 pieces that you have to put together. I have some Glinda cosplay ideas that I want to do for not just Halloween, but like for the release of Wicked. And also I'm going to be going to see Wicked on Broadway at the end of the month. I am just so excited. I'm going to plan a Glinda coated outfit for it. I'm most definitely going to be bringing that. The next thing that I got at Walmart was this gorgeous Glinda crown. Like, the quality on this had me stunned. It doesn't really like look that cheap. Like, it obviously is plastic, but it really does not look that cheap. I'm very happy about that. And this was $20 as well. Not too bad. I feel like for the quality, like $20 is a pretty fair price. If I had more time, I would honestly open those up today and show you guys, but we're on a time crunch, okay? And also I have my Dunkin' coffee that I'm enjoying. I feel like my brain is not working properly, so I really needed to sip that real quick. So the next place that I went was Five Below, and I got a few things in here. Me, my sister, and my grandmother kind of like went on a retail therapy day the day that we went to Five Below. So everything in here is just very random. First thing I got are these Reese's dipped pretzels. If you have never tried these, they are crack. They are so good. The next thing that I got is this adorable little Powerpuff Girl. This one is Blossom. She's the pink one. And when I was little, me and my sisters always watched Powerpuff Girls. My favorite color is pink, Maddie's favorite color is green, and Morgan's is blue. So we kind of all just like picked a character and resonated with it. So I wanted to get Blossom. I think she's adorable, and I think I'm just gonna keep her on my vanity here because she's pink, so she's gonna match. So I am just gonna leave her there. She looks real mad, but honestly, I feel that girl. Then the next thing that I got are these adorable cloud sticky notes. I was definitely in need of some sticky notes because if you know me personally, you already know I am forgetful. I'm frazzle-brained, ADHD, like just, I need reminders, and I think these are so cute and I can stick them just like all over my room. So then the next thing that I got are these adorable little frilly socks. It comes with a pair that has lace at the top, and then it just has a bunch of normal frilly socks. And I really wished I had these for the Sabrina Carpenter concert. I was looking everywhere for these so that I could wear my cute pink heels with these sticking out. Obviously that did not happen, but you know what? I might save these for my Glinda costume. Lastly, I picked out a couple of sunglasses on the way out the door because they had really cute sunglasses. The first pair I got are these brown ones that have gold on the side, and I needed a pair of brown sunglasses because I feel like I'm wearing brown a lot. And these could be like a cute little accent piece. I mean, once I like tried them on, I was like, damn, maybe they're kind of small. I feel like they're cute. I don't know. They're cheap and I cannot be trusted with expensive sunglasses. And then I got this pink pair because I thought it was cute, and I only have one pair of pink sunglasses and I've kind of worn them a lot, so I felt like I needed another pair to rotate. These ones are cute. I like these ones. These are giving Glinda. Everything pink is Glinda. Glinda owns pink. So yeah, those were the sunglasses, and that was everything from Five Below. I'm sorry, I feel so chaotic filming this right now. Like, I usually do not film when I have a time crunch, and it's showing. This morning, I actually stopped by Walgreens because I was looking for the new Ariana sprays that are there. She just released Mod Vanilla and Mod Blush in body sprays, and I'm determined to find them, but I have not yet, of course. But anyway, so while I was in there, I found some cute fake nails, which if you guys do not know, I use press-on nails. I glue them on myself. They last me a week or two. These ones have been on for 2 weeks. Like, it's crazy. I swear by the Kiss brand. The quality is so good and they last really, really good. I am obsessed with these. I got just a pair of regular French, super cute. And then I saw these, which I've never tried this brand before, but it's Sally Hansen, and they just had these adorable little ghost ones that I thought were so cute. So I'm gonna save those and wear those maybe the week before Halloween, because I wanna have pink nails when I go to see Wicked, and I am going to see Wicked the week of Halloween. So tea. I don't know if I'll see anybody in New York City, but I will be there. And then I also picked up one of the Maybelline Fit Me stick foundations. This is 130 Buff Beige, and I actually used it today. I'm obsessed with this. I've been out for a little while, so I had to pick that up. Next up, I went to Burlington Coat Factory, and I found a couple of really cute things that I'm excited to show you guys. First up, I found this cute little cropped dress shirt that has a heart on it, and I felt like it was really, really cute. It's kind of cinched at the waist. It's very much my vibe because I love cropped shirts. The next thing I got at Burlington is this adorable pink sweater. Again, it's kind of cropped. It has this big chunky neckline that goes off the shoulders. I felt like it was kind of giving Regina George. Like, I feel like Regina wore a sweater like this. And it also, of course, reminded me of Glinda because, bitch, I'm just so excited for this Wicked movie. Also, a quick disclaimer because I have seen a lot of comments, not just on my stuff, but on other creators' stuff, talking about Wicked and just how we're talking so much about it and how it's everywhere and how like people are making it their whole personalities, whatever. To that I say, Wicked was a musical production that was exclusively available on Broadway. Okay? Or bootleg if you're like me and you watched crappy bootleg videos on YouTube. For most people, they did not have access to go see Wicked because A, it's expensive, and B, you'd have to travel to New York or to some city that does Broadway productions of Wicked. It is so special that it is being brought to life in movie form where everyone can watch it. You don't have to live in a certain area. You don't have to have a certain amount of money to watch it. Like, it's gonna be free to watch pretty soon on streaming. It's really exciting for fans that have loved Wicked or loved The Wizard of Oz even, because this tells where the good and bad witch kind of came from and like their story, and I just think that it is the best story. I love the book, and the book is even quite different from the musical, and from what I've seen of the trailers for the Wicked movie, it seems like they're actually incorporating a lot of details from the book, which I am fangirling over. I'm so excited to see how it turns out. And then of course, Ariana Grande. I've loved following her career for over 10 years, and I've known that this role meant so much to her, and she's always talked about playing Glinda in any capacity of a project having to do with Wicked. It's just really cool as a fan to see, and it's very inspiring as a fan. It just makes me want to keep chasing my dreams. So yeah, I did just want to say that real quick because I am talking about it a lot. I am posting about it a lot. I'm purchasing a lot of things pertaining to it. And when the movie comes out, you best believe I'm going to be making a vlog going to see it. So I just wanted to give that little kind of like disclaimer because it is a special time for so many. I am really looking forward to it. Period. End of sentence. That's that on that. Next up, I'm going to show you guys an order from Fashion Nova. And this is actually what I ordered to wear to the Sabrina Carpenter Short and Sweet tour. I know I kept saying that, but this actually got delayed and did not come in time. So unfortunately, I was not able to wear any of this. First up, I got this adorable necklace that I wanted to wear with my outfit. Oh my God, this is so cute. It has pearls and bows all around it, and it's a little gold choker. That is adorable. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. I probably will wear this with my Glinda outfit, honestly, when I go see Wicked in the city. I purchased this jersey that I thought was so cute. It is this oversized jersey that says all heart, and then on the back, it just has a number 10. It was very random, but it was on sale, and honestly, I thought it was really cute. I feel like I could make this work for something. Even for like a sporting event, maybe I could wear this oversized with black shorts underneath it. I can't decide. It is huge though. I got a size large, and it is definitely already oversized, so girl. And then it has little bows on the side, on the sleeve. I think this is really cute, and the quality feels really good. I like that a lot. I'm a little panicked because we're running low on time, but it's fine. The next one that I got is this dress that was like kind of lingerie vibes, but it was in the dress section, and I felt like this was really giving Sabrina because she's wearing like lingerie on stage every night. I feel like this is really cute, and I could still keep this maybe for date night, probably not for out in public. It would have been really cute for the Short and Sweet tour, but whatever. And then the last one that I got from Fashion Nova is very similar to the other one. It's definitely like a lingerie style dress, but this one is strapless and it looks so cute. And then it has a cute frilly little skirt. Like, I just think this is absolutely adorable. And then it laces up corset style in the back. Like, how adorable, bitch. I wish these came in time for Sabrina because these are literally screaming her aesthetic. Then we are going to dive into Target because I hit the jackpot here. I definitely got a lot of stuff. First thing that I got that I have been wanting so bad is the movie edition of the Wicked book. So this is the original story, like the original book written by Gregory Maguire. I am just absolutely obsessed with the cover of this one. It's gonna inspire me to want to read it again. I definitely want to reread this before the movie comes out, and I'll be able to picture Glinda as being Ariana when I read it, so I'm just very excited about that. And then I also got this Wicked coloring book. I was with my friend Sophia, and I was like, I feel like this is gonna be so therapeutic to just sit and color like we're kids again. So I did get that, and I actually have already started coloring in it. A little bit of the first page, and then I started this one of Glinda. Don't mind her yellow hair, like sis needs a bleach and tone, but I had limited color options. I also got some crayons and colored pencils to use to color with, you know. And then I got this adorable plaid skirt, and it even has shorts underneath it, which I think is really nice because it is really short, but I thought this could be really cute for the fall for some outfits. Then I also got these adorable little cups that were in the dollar section at Target. They were definitely giving Wicked, because let me show you the other one I found. This is the other one that they had. So I was like, this is literally giving Glinda and Elfie, okay? I got these so that next time I hang out with Timmy, we can have some, but I got 2 pinks just in case, and then a green as well, because there was only one more green. So I was like, I need that. Then I got some orange lights because I want to string them around my closet door and kind of add some orange fall vibes to my room, because it looks like pink exploded everywhere, which is fine, but you know. I also found these adorable Glinda opera gloves. So they have little studs and little pearls all over them. It's kind of hard to see because of the glare. They are one size fits all, and I have really large hands and they fit me. So if that helps you at all. Okay, we are towards the nitty gritty here, y'all. The last thing that I got from Target were these little tote bags that were in the dollar section that say "so popular." So of course it's giving Glinda, super cute. And then the back says Wicked. And I got one for me and one for Timmy. I'm gonna bring this to Timmy when I go to see the musical with him at the end of the month. So I'm really looking forward to that. Let's see how we're doing on time. Okay, I literally have to leave the house in 5 minutes. So we have 5 minutes to wrap this video up. Let me take one more sip of coffee. So high on adrenaline, okay? But your girl has been so busy that I have not had time to film this haul. Today, I was like, you know what? I am making it happen because I want to get this video up ASAP. I did already peek inside of the Wicked one, but we're gonna save that one for last for the grand finale. I have another r.em beauty package that I have had sitting here for like a month because again, I wanted to wait to open it with you guys. Ah, I'm so excited. My purchase came with 2 little bags. One thing about me, I'm a whore for makeup bags. Like I have so many. I really don't need any more, but I wanted this one. Dude, this is so cute. It says r.em Beauty. It's giving like summer, and honestly, it's really large. It has a lot of space in there. And it feels like you could definitely throw this in the washer machine if you got anything on it. It's kind of like the same material as a towel. I am obsessed with that. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is cute. This bag is kind of like plasticky feeling. I don't know if that's the right word. It feels like a raincoat. But this is so cute. It's like puffer style. Feels like a puffer jacket. It says r.em Beauty. And it has this adorable little strap here. This one could definitely be washed easy. The inside's a nice material. But yeah, and it's honestly, it fit a lot of stuff. It's a good size. I feel like this would either be good for like makeup brushes or for like a few of your favorite makeup items. Then I ordered a few blushes. I have never tried r.em Beauty's blushes yet, so I really wanted to order a few. So I got Strawberry Nebula. I will open them and swatch them on TikTok, so make sure you guys are following me over there. I also got Pinking of You. And lastly, I got Skinny Dip. Oh, I'm so obsessed. I cannot wait to try those. And then the last thing from that order was a glossy bomb. And I have not tried the glossy bombs yet. I wanted to try them so bad. I went in the store to purchase one and I accidentally grabbed a lip oil. When I got home, I was real upset, but I love the lip oil, so I kept it anyway. I have been dying to try this. Like, look at that color. Wow, that feels so good. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm so glad that I have that now. Putting that in my r.em Beauty pile. I literally have to leave, but last but not least, we are gonna quickly go through the Wicked x r.em Beauty collection. I got the Glinda makeup set, and this one comes with Midnight Shadows liquid eyeshadow in the color It's Good to See Me, Isn't It? It comes with Eclipse, blush, and lipstick in She's So Good. Oh, the names are giving me life. On Your Collar, metallic lipstick in You've Been Glindified, and At the Borderline, kohl eyeliner pencil in Scandalicious. Period. So again, I'm gonna open these up and try them out on TikTok, so go follow me over there. And the next thing that I got are the Glinda Glow Drops. I am so excited to try these. Oh my god, I can't wait to unbox this and see what the packaging looks like. These are literally the thing I'm most excited for. And then I ordered the Wicked So Popular pH Adaptive Lip Oil. This one is supposed to change color based on your own pH and lip color. So I'm very excited to try this. And the packaging on this one is so cute, you guys. I'm gonna open it for you just so you can see. The rest I'm gonna open on TikTok. How freaking Stunning. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for that. I can't even wait. And then last but not least, I got the r.em Beauty Wicked Luxury Beautification Under Eye Masks. These ones are Glinda's under eye masks, and Ariana claims she used these the whole time throughout filming Wicked. I am so excited to try these. I'm definitely gonna be putting these on tomorrow morning and glindifying myself. But anyway, you guys, that is it for my video on a collective haul of everything I've bought recently. My room is literally a disaster right now, and I actually have to run out the door, so I'm leaving it and we will just have to fix it later. That's future Amber's problem. Anyway, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and for dealing with my chaoticness. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be back very soon with more videos, don't you worry. I've finally been trying to get my life on track since dealing with so much at the beginning of this year. One day at a time, things get better. You just gotta be patient. We will get there. Before I go, this is this week's shout out of the week. Shout out to you, boo. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching me and commenting every week. I love you so much. And if you guys want to be a future shout out, just make sure you're following me on social medias and I will be choosing a random comment for the next shout out. All right, you guys, that is it. Thank you again so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.